Hello guys, this is Said. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you the 8 ways to save your MacBook battery life. I'm talking about Mac notebook, not Mac Mini or Mac computer. So only the MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or something Mac notebook. So this is the 8 ways. Maybe you help to save your battery life cycle. So first of all, here is enable power nap. What is enable power nap? Enable power nap. Power nap basically is used is a term to when your Mac is on sleep, or you just close the lid, and in the background your Mac is by default check for the software updates, email, receiving, calendar receiving, or something else. If you want to avoid or enable power nap, this kind of the battery will be saved. You have to use this software update or calendar email check on your power adapter. So second, enable low power mode. Definitely, as show on the name, in a power mode, low power mode. Second, clear the system cache files and empty the trash. Cache file is basically the temporary files which is used on the Mac computer. So I'll show you how to clear the system cache files and empty the trash. The next one, delete unnecessary software from Mac. The software or app which are not using on your Mac, you have to delete or uninstall. Some software are not installed until you have to use a third-party tool. I'll show you how to install that kind of software. And check the activity monitor. Activity monitor basically is showing your all activity monitor, basically utility who monitor your all MacBook performance. Okay, so I'll show you how to check this battery consumption on your activity monitor. Second one is adjust the screen brightness. You have to adjust the automatic screen brightness, and I'll show you how to enable the automatic screen brightness. The computer will be the Mac will be automatically adjust your screen brightness. Next one, limit the apps in screen time. You have to enable the screen time. For example, you have installed ton of applications, but you are only using only one application. You have to enable this screen time to use only one app on the battery to increase the battery life. Last one is automatically graphic switching. Automatic graphics basically is used to when you use graphic designing software. The Mac computer is automatically switch on the required graphic if your computer is compatible with or installed in the graphic design. So I'll show you how to use these 8 tips. So let's get started. So here is first option, how to enable power nap. To do this, you have to go to system preferences or system settings, go to your Apple menu, then click system settings. A system settings window will be show up. Might be in your computer, here will be show the system preferences. You have to open the system preferences, then the preferences or setting panel will be open. So currently in the left panel, or might be in your case you will see the different view. You have to find the battery option. In the battery option, here is the first option called low power mode, and here is the option button. Click on this option button, and here's the first option called enable power nap. You have to select only on power adapter or never. After that, you have to done. Close the system preferences pane. Second is enable low power mode. To do this same, we have to go click on the Apple menu, then system settings or system preferences. A new window will be show up. Same, we have to click on the battery option, and the first option called low power mode, only on battery, only on power adapter. You have to select only on battery or always, whichever you want. When you click on the always power low power mode will be on. If you want to select the only but on battery, the power mode will be applied when the Mac use on battery. You have to close this window. Here's the third one: clear system, caches file, and empty the trash. To do this, we have to click on Go menu. Go to Go menu from your menu bar. This is the menu bar. Click on Go, and from the second last option called Go to folder, or here is the shortcut key Shift Command G. Click on Go to folder, and you have to type this command / basically for the Mac OS or system, then a library, then / in the library folder we have to see the caches. Enter. You will see the one or more than one folder on the system cache file. Just select all files. Maybe in your scenario some files will be not deleted because you have to this file might be used on the background. Just skip if the file can't delete. If you see this kind of window, just enter the password for the authentication, because we are going to delete some files on system library folder. So caches folder is empty. Close this window, click on bin or trash and empty the trash. Next one, delete unnecessary software from Mac. To see the software, click on Go menu from the menu bar, then applications. The applications main folder will be show up. In this application folder, you have to find which application or software you are not using. For example, I'm going to delete or install the Firefox. There is two ways to delete any software. First, you have to select the app and click on move to trash. Second, here is a utility called app Zapper. I have installed, but I'll mention its link on the description. It's free tool, you can download it. Click on the app Zapper. You have to drag and drop the application on this tool. When you click, this all files will be found. You can see application and cache and preferences, every single file has found, and after that you have to zap this. Click on zap, the application has gone. After that you have to empty the trash. Okay, so next is check the activity monitor. To open the activity monitor, you have to go to Go menu, then click utilities. In the utilities folder, you have to find the activity monitor. Maybe you need to scroll down and open this activity monitor. In this activity monitor, here is different options called CPU, memory, energy, disk, and network. but we are focusing on the energy related, and we have to click on the energy. You can see the last 12-hour power cycle, which application is used more power. For example, Loom, Safari, Google, and something else. You can stop the application by using this utility. For example, I'm going to stop the Google. Just select the app by using the app name and click this stop button. The activity monitor will be ask you, are you sure want to quit this process? Yes, I want to quit. So you can save the battery life by using this method. After that, quit or close this activity monitor and go back to our next. Here is the adjust screen brightness. We can adjust the screen brightness by using the manually. For example, in my case, because I'm using the Mac OS Ventura, maybe you will find the different way to adjust the screen resolution in manually, but we are going to enable the screen brightness automatically. To do this, we have to go to Apple menu, then system settings or system preferences. When you click on system settings or preferences, here you will see the displays. Might be in your scenario you will find the different options or different window, but don't worry, you need to just find a displays. If you cannot find displays, just search the display on the search bar. Display window will be open. Here is when the display window will be open, you have to find the automatically adjust brightness option. You have enable is, you can disable is or enable from there. After that, close this window, move to next step. The seventh one is limit the apps in the screen time. To enable the screen time, we have to click on the Apple menu, then system settings. In system settings, you will find the screen time. Here you can find the screen time and you can set the screen time. Just enable the screen time. I just enable, but I am going to turn off for showing you. Enable the screen time. You will find the different options which collection you want to enable. For example, I am going to app usage. Sorry, app limits. When you click on app limits, it will ask add limit. Find the app. For example, social, games, entertainment, or all applications. Or you can find the specific. Microsoft, for example, I'm going to set the app limit on Microsoft Teams. Just select the Teams and you can set the limit for everyday or custom. When you click on custom, click on edit and select the hours or minutes or days you want to limitize. After that, done, and close this window. So here is the last one, automatically graphic switching. To enable automatically graphic switching for your MacBook, just click on Apple menu, system settings, battery. In the battery option, click on the options, and here is the last one called automatic graphic switching. You have to enable this. So these are the few ways I have to show you. Maybe it will help you. Do please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.